Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a user on Mac. First, open your system settings or system preferences, depending on your Mac OS version. Look for the Users and Groups section, which is usually found in the sidebar. Once there, you'll see a list of all user accounts. Find the account you wish to remove and click the small I or Details button next to their name to access their specific settings. To make any changes, you'll need to click the lock icon at the bottom left of the window. Enter an administrator's password when prompted to unlock the settings. After unlocking, select the user account you intend to remove. You will then be presented with a few important options regarding what to do with that user's home folder and all their associated data. You'll have three main choices for the user's home folder. The first, save the home folder to a disk image, creates an archive of all their files. The second, don't change the home folder, leaves their data intact, allowing you to access it manually later. The third, delete the home folder, permanently removes all their documents, photos, and other data from your Mac. After selecting your preferred option for the home folder, a confirmation dialog will appear. Carefully review your choice, especially if you've opted to delete the home folder, as this action is irreversible. Click Delete User to finalize the process. The user account, along with any chosen data, will then be completely removed from your Mac, freeing up storage space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.